Hello guys, and so my mom found this thing in a book. She read a book and it said that it talked about quantum science. And quantum science sounds cool, and I want to learn more about it. I'm pretty sure Albert Einstein discovered it. I'm pretty sure that he discovered it, and he talked about frequencies and stuff, and not controlling matter, but then my mom read more, and then they talked about the study. I forgot the study's name. They didn't say the study's name, but the study was performed by this dude in 1989. His name was Rennie Pioch. I think that's how you say it. It's Renepeoch. And what he did is that he got a robot that does not care about anything. There was wheels on the bottom of it and a pen to mark where it was. And then what happened is that they got chicks, newly hatched chicks, and whatever, animated creature they see move, they follow it. So they followed the robot because they thought it was their mom. They kept following the robot, and the robot would just go in any direction. It was a randomized generator thing. So like he placed it in the middle, and it would just like go here. And then a few seconds later, it would randomly generate a direction, go there, and go there. It walked all around the place, all around this table with paper underneath it so you could see where it went. And then the chicken just followed it. And then what he did after that is that he was testing like if thoughts have like power over stuff. So what he did is got the chicks, placed them in a cage on one side of the table, and put the robot in the middle with the pen underneath to show a different track and a different paper. He placed it in the middle. The robot went kinda out, like kinda more than halfway, but then it came back and stayed in that area where the chicks were, because the chicks wanted the robot so much, thinking it was their mom. That's what he said happened. He said he performed it many times and it did the same thing. The robot just kept being in the same area. He said he performed it with non-bonded chicks, but the robot had a light on top of it, and chicks, they really like light. They want to stay warm. So they turned the lights off, put the light on the robot, and the chicks wanted it so bad that the robot stayed in the same area again. Next thing he did, he got bunnies, put them in the cage, and the bunnies were scared, so the robot stayed away on the opposite side. That's what they said, and stayed on the opposite side of the cage until the rabbits calmed down, and it started going to the other side and staying there more. So yeah, and they said he performed those many times, the same results. I'm a little skeptical because when I'm saying it, it sounds a little too good to be true for me, but you guys could search it up. I did, and most of the stuff that I found said it was true. So you guys could search it up, tell me what you thought about it, and stuff like that. But it's pretty cool. So I guess thoughts have power. So if you think about something you want, you're probably gonna get in the future.
Right.
Will.
And the power of, the frequency, the energy, your thoughts. And they say if the tiny little brain
Of the chick can
control the
robot and make it stay in one area, then imagine what your brain could do. Has like thousands, probably not thousands, I'm not sure, maybe thousands, probably thousands more power than the little chick's brains has, which is like this size. Your brain is, my brain is this size. If you do this, 2 facts in one video combo. If you do this is the size of your brain. This is what I've heard though. You could fact check this too, but I believe this. This is the size of your brain if you put your fist like that, and this is the size of your heart if you just put one fist. So yeah.
The other thing is, they mentioned Einstein in the study that said that everything is a frequency, and if we are able to put our mind into it and organize the frequency, and we can create things. And what is the famous, what you were talking about the other day, that Einstein said that...
Einstein said that imagination is more powerful than knowledge. So for a person that knows only knowledge, this...
It becomes limited. Huh?
Yeah, it's limited. This, they say, is just a cup. Just a cup, nothing more. What sometimes I do, most of the time, because I just like science too much. Because that's what it is right now. This is just a cup, nothing more. But for someone who can imagine something else, it could be a boat. Not a yacht, because a yacht would need way more atoms in this cup. But
it could be anything.
It could be a boat, a mini yacht or something. Just rearrange the atoms or melt it down into your preferred shape. It could be anything you want it to be. Something like that. Just don't melt it to its preferred shape at home. I don't think that'll be good. And yeah. So that's the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.
Let us know about what you think about quantum science.
Yeah, let us know what you think about that. Just leave a comment saying what you think about it and I'll read them. And yeah, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.